Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I quill with a mechanized quilling tool and what's the difference between a regular tool and a mechanized tool. So let's begin. For that you'll require glue, the mechanized quilling tool which I use, a pair of tweezers, my regular quilling tool and some strips of paper. So let's begin. So to begin with, I'm going to be sticking two strips of paper together and I'm going to be showing you how I quill with these. So this is in real time. I'll show you how much time it takes for a regular tool and a mechanized tool. So you stick it properly, and I usually, as you all know, I usually start with a lighter color in the center. So you slip it into your quilling tool and you start twirling. So once you reach a certain point, place your thumb and your finger like this so that it stays in one place and doesn't go awry, and roll, 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 and if you want it tight, just keep on rolling till the strip of paper breaks inside and comes out with the quilling tool. Now this is a tight curl. Now you loosen it up a bit. You decide how big or small you want it, and that's how I use a regular quilling tool. So you unfurl it however much you want, apply some glue, use your tweezers, press it down properly so that it sticks nice and tight. And you can give it a shape however you want. So make it into a teardrop. Press it nice and tight, and there you have it, your teardrop with a quilling tool. Now we'll do the same process with the mechanized tool. So I have a dark green and I'll use a red strip of paper. So apply some glue, stick these two together, press it down properly, make sure it's stuck well. Now as usual, we'll start with the red strip of paper. Now what you do in the mechanized tool is once again the same thing. You put it in the slot, the strip of paper, and for the mechanized tool you leave a little extra on the side so that it rolls well, and you start rolling. Roll it slowly first, press it down very slowly, very lightly, and that's it. It was done in just a couple of seconds. Now you have this. So I'll zoom in a bit. So something like this. So what I do next now is I take my tweezer, and there's this center line in the middle of the bud or the curl. Now I hold it with my tweezer, and in the same direction that we quill the roll, I'll just roll it like this, and that strip of paper, that small tiny strip of paper comes out. You throw it away, and you have a perfect roll quilled in just a few seconds. It takes a little less time, and with practice you can do a lovely job. So you just have to give yourself some time. So you unfurl it or you tighten it however you like it, use your roll accordingly, and you apply glue on the tip just a little bit, and you use your tweezer, press it down properly, give it some nice semblance. And once again, a teardrop. And there you have it. And so that's what I wanted to show you. And I hope you like this video. And if you like it, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.